So you want to know, how do you get your property management certification? Well, I'm going to tell you right now, and there's two big ones I want to talk to you about: the Certified Property Manager certification and the Certified Leasing Consultant certification, because they're very different in terms of what they're going to give you and what it takes to get them. My guess is that you came to this video because you either A, want to get hired, or B, you want to get promoted. Leave a comment below if you're looking to get hired for your first time, or you're already working in property management and you want to get promoted. I would love to know. And by the way, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. If you even work in the zip code of property management, we're here to help you. So a lot of times people, when they're looking for their property management certification, they're looking for their CPM, or Certified Property Manager. That is offered through IRM. Here's a lot of things that people don't know. You have to have 3 years of on-the-job experience, and it's a really, really long process to get that. There's a lot of exams that you need to take. You need to receive a certain score on those exams. In most cases, you have to have a corporate sponsor. So if you're looking to get into the industry and you want to get your CPM, you got to get a job first. Well, here's the hard part. How do I get a job if I'm not certified in property management? That's where I would look towards earning my CLC, my Certified Leasing Consultant Credential. So we offer the CLC over at Leasing University. You can get that in a few short weeks. It's all very simple video-based training. You can go through the videos where the CPM is going to teach you a lot of nuts and bolts, software, risk mitigation, compliance, HR issues. Your CLC is all going to be those high-value skills that employers are really looking for, especially when they're looking to hire somebody that's new to the industry. They want somebody that's going to be able to work with residents. They want somebody that's going to be able to sell the community. They want somebody that's going to be able to get renewals, that's going to be able to handle any complaints or objections and close leases. So you can get your CLC in just a few short weeks. You don't have to have a corporate sponsor. And if you've commented below, if you're looking for a job, I'd love to personally help you. If you have a CLC credential, if you already have your CLC, feel free to reach out to me. Or if you jump in, get your CLC, you can get it for $299. Get your CLC. I will personally write you a letter of recommendation. I'll allow you to list me as a reference. So that's a great way to go, is to get your CLC first, get your foot in the door of the industry, right? And then when you're working, you can take those courses through IRM to get your CPM or your CAM credential. We'll talk about the CAM on another video. Whatever questions you guys have, leave them in the comment section below. I want to help you. I want to help you find that first job in the industry. We would love to have you in the industry. We need you. I'd love to help you get promoted. And I'd love it if you check this out. The way people rent apartments has changed. Today's renter has access to more information. Today's renter has more choices. The apartment industry needs you. Studies have shown that moving is the most stressful life event. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of leasing apartments in a way that's meaningful to you and your renters and get you 7 times more leases. I'll show you how the perfect leasing process works. I'm going to walk you through everything from answering the phone to closing the lease. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so that you can build value in your apartments. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your renter so it's easy for them to rent with you. I've taught the best property management companies and thousands of people just like you how to lease apartments. Property management is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career, it's going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or property management before. And for the advanced property manager, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Leasing University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective. We're going to help you become a rock star in property management. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Leasing University.